Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're jumping right into Unit 1 of our source material, which is all about the introduction to the IT and ITS industry. We're going to be exploring the invisible, foundational digital systems that are quite literally powering our modern world. We'll break down information technology, which, by the way, is one of the world's fastest-growing economic activities, and look at its massive impact on everything from your morning routine all the way up to global economics.
But to kick things off, let me ask you something right off the bat. How many computers have you used today? Seriously, take a second and really think about it. You're probably immediately counting your smartphone, maybe a laptop, or, a tablet. But what if I told you that you've likely interacted with several more without even realizing it?
Okay, let's dive into this. Believe it or not, your kitchen is essentially a mini computing hub. Everyday appliances, like that microwave oven heating up your morning coffee or the washing machine doing your laundry, they actually run on embedded software. They're specifically designed to take inputs, process them, and deliver a specific output. So information technology isn't just sitting on your desk at work, it's practically woven right into the fabric of your daily existence.
So here is our roadmap for today. First, decoding IT, ICT, and ITES. Second, powering society and industry. And finally, India's IT BPM economic engine.
All right, Section 1, decoding IT, ICT, and ITS, the building blocks of the digital age. Let's get right into it.
To really wrap our heads around this ecosystem, we have to distinguish data from information. Think of this as a raw to refined pipeline. Data is just the raw material. It's like tracking millions of website clicks, or sensor readings, or even just the number of boys and girls in a classroom. On its own, it's kind of just noise. But when you process that data to find a pattern-based flow of, say, consumer behavior, you draw a conclusion. That refined insight, that's information. And in the real world, decisions are made on information, not just raw data.
And so information technology, or IT, is the engine doing that refining. It's the hardware and software we use to create, manage, store, and exchange that information. IT takes that raw data input, processes the whole shebang, and spits out actionable output. This is exactly what allows businesses to reach customers instantly, streamline their operations, and really minimize waste.
Now, what happens when you take that IT and scale it up into actual business operations? Boom! You get information technology-enabled services, or ITES. These are the web-enabled services that radically improve a company's efficiency and slash their costs. And this flow of IT data has sparked an absolute explosion in diverse career options. We're talking logistics management, medical billing, content development, HR services. It has become a massive contributor to the global economy.
Moving on to Section 2, powering society and industry, transforming how we learn, work, and heal.
We're talking about information and communication technology here, or ICT, which is literally a basic requirement of modern society now. Take education, for example. It builds a completely seamless learning environment. Libraries using barcodes and magnetic software triggers for instant tracking, while classrooms are leveraging ICT for smart boards, e-learning, and high-fidelity video transmission. It just makes education infinitely more accessible and engaging for everyone.
And man, over in healthcare, ICT is absolutely the vital backbone. Hospital management systems securely process just mountains of patient data every single day. But even beyond the admin side of things, IT enables the highly complex scientific processing needed for equipment like MRI machines. Capturing, processing, and rendering those incredibly detailed three-dimensional medical images, that relies entirely on that raw to refined data pipeline we talked about earlier.
And of course, the global economy relies on this exact same digital lifeblood. Whether you're pulling cash out of an ATM, executing instantaneous online money transfers like NEFT or RTGS, or booking a flight on a massive airline reservation system, you are directly interacting with vast, decentralized IT databases where countless users and operators are all interacting simultaneously. It's like a giant puzzle coming together in real time.
All right, Section 3, India's IT BPM economic engine, from microchips to macroeconomics. Let's zoom out here.
So remember how we talked about IT-enabled services a minute ago? Well, a major transformative subset of that is business process outsourcing, or BPL. This basically means a company performs its core business operations by hiring an outside service provider, Why? To optimize performance and reduce costs, for sure. When you tap into these vast global networks, you can have highly specialized, organized teams on the exact opposite side of the planet seamlessly handling your financial services or software testing or document management all in real time.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why India has become such a powerhouse in the BPO sector. It's really driven by three distinct advantages. First, there are massive investments in high-tech hardware and software to ensure error-free service. Second, active government support provides a really robust logistical infrastructure. And third, the industry possesses the sheer developmental capability to deliver a massive variety of complex services with exceptional quality control.
I mean, the macroeconomic impact here is just staggering. To put that into perspective, over just one decade, from 2008 to 2018, the IT and business process management sector almost doubled its revenue and its contribution to India's GDP. Almost doubled. But hey, it's not just about the capital, it's about massive job creation and raising income levels for real people. This specific sector has completely changed global perceptions of India, firmly cementing it on the map as a technologically advanced, knowledge-based economy.
Well, that brings us to the end of our explainer today. We started out looking at the embedded software in your washing machine and ended up exploring a massive industry that drives the GDP of an entire nation. IT, ICT, and ITS are these invisible threads connecting quite literally every aspect of our modern lives, turning raw data into actionable, powerful information. So, the next time you tap your card at a store or heat up your coffee, take a moment to appreciate the vast digital ecosystem making it all happen behind the scenes. The question now is, with technology evolving as fast as it does, what will it process next? Thank you so much for watching, and keep learning.